Hello everyone, welcome to Law Minds. In this video, we will discuss about how do resident welfare associations work. A resident welfare association is a non-governmental organization. It takes care of the interests and welfare of a residential society or colony in a city. Every residential society has a resident welfare association. As the name suggests, its primary intention is to work towards the overall welfare of all the residents of a particular residential society. At the same time, several rules, responsibilities, and roles are there for a RWA for the smooth functioning of that specific area. Residential welfare associations are registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. Every state in India may have a lot of amendments that differ from one another and keep changing with time as well. When a building is registered under the Societies Registration Act, the RWAs are governed by certain constitutional documents and they cannot work as per their own will. The documents ensure that the RWAs have special powers. These are also checked for a requirement. This can be sued and it can also sue as well. This is a legal body with the power to exercise all the rights for all legal purposes. Several aspects are to be taken care of in a particular society where the RWA or the role of the RWA's president plays an integral role and it is crucial. The Resident Welfare Association's role it is to improve the amenities and shared facilities. That is, looking after the condition of internal roads, street lights, drainage, water harvesting, overall cleanliness, and civic amenities like electricity and water. The RWA may have to do much more work in prominent societies. For example, the role of the resident welfare associations in major societies. It also includes looking after and managing commercial activities within the society premises, like in bazaars, shops, transportation, or banks in that particular area. Coming to next, the role of RWA office holders. Every RWA would have its president, general secretary, vice president, secretary, treasurer, finance advisor, and several executive members. Let us know about the powers and functions of RWA functionaries. Firstly, president. What are the functions of president? President presides over all the meetings of general body and governing body. They have the right to vote on a draw. President supervises all the work done by various office bearers. He may operate the society's bank accounts. Coming to Vice President. Vice President assists the President in all the duties. He acts like a President in President's absence. Coming to the General Secretary, he is responsible for representing society in private or public offices. He maintains the records of all concerned society and members. He may operate the society's bank accounts. Coming to Secretary, he plays the role of General Secretary in absence of General Secretary. The Secretary assists the RWA General Secretary whenever required. Coming to the Treasurer, Treasurer has the duty of collection of gifts, subscriptions, grants in aid, and donations from the members and the general public. He maintains all the necessary account records of the society's funds. These particular funds are required to be maintained in a specific bank. He operates the Resident Welfare Association's bank account. Coming to the executive members, they assist the society's daily works. They fill the list of office bearers with the registrar of societies whenever needed as per section 4 of the Societies Registration Act 1860. Coming to powers of Resident Welfare Association. The Resident Welfare Association solely decides the subscription amount for all the residents of the society. Although the residents can ask for an RWA membership, the RWA has the right to refuse such memberships after communicating a proper reason. The RWA also has the power to terminate the membership of any resident owing to his or her death for the failure to pay the subscription fees in case they conduct something against the interests of the society, in case majority of RWA members demand his or her termination on some valid ground. Also, the RWA's responsibility is to operate and implement all the necessary initiatives and policies within the resident society. RWA membership is open for all the residents of the concerned society and they can apply for the same. Coming to funds of a resident welfare association, the funds of a particular RWA are to be retained in a scheduled bank. The account can be operated by the RWA's president, treasurer, or general secretary. A qualified auditor needs to be appointed by the governing body and shall audit all the RWA's accounts. Coming to RWA members selection, the society's governing body is elected for a specific period while meeting the general body. The residents can raise their hands to elect a person during the meeting. RWA's final list of office bearers should not be less than 7. They must be attested by 3 outgoing bearers and filed with the society's registrar. Coming to the membership rules for RWA, the following membership rules are applicable. They are: RWA can deny membership of any person or an individual in writing. The written application should be given to the concerned person. If any individual is not working as per the aim and objective of RWA, then the person can be terminated. If an individual does not attend 3 successive meetings, he will be terminated. This can be done without giving written notice.